Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best chocolate babka is probably one of the most visually stunning and delicious pastries you can find. With its roots in Eastern European Jewish cuisine, this sweet bread is a symphony of textures and flavors. Imagine a rich, buttery dough, swirled with layers of decadent chocolate, creating a treat that's as satisfying to look at as it is to eat. Get ready to dive into a world of twisted perfection. Number 5. Stern's Bakery Chocolate Babka. Are you a chocolate lover? This traditional Jewish pastry is made with sweet yeast dough and filled with a premium chocolate blend. This babka is sure to tantalize your taste buds. This sweet yeast cake has the perfect balance of chocolate filling and cake. It's incredibly moist and delicious. It pairs perfectly with coffee or tea, and you'll love its rich taste and texture. Baked fresh daily from scratch, this babka is irresistible. Made with the finest and freshest ingredients, it's also kosher certified, dairy-free, and baked in a nut-free facility. Wow your friends and family with this beautifully presented chocolate babka ring. It comes in a practical, resealable container, making it a special treat for any occasion. We are confident that you will truly enjoy this chocolate babka. We guarantee your satisfaction with every bite of this delicious treat. What we like. This babka is dairy-free and nut-free, making it a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. It's baked fresh daily, ensuring a moist and delicious experience. If you're looking for a thoughtful and inclusive gift, this one is perfect for you. What people say. Outstanding. Moist. Delicious. Bread, yum. Sugar, yum. Chocolate, yum. What's not to love? And this babka is extra delicious. The sweet, slightly crispy coils pull apart to reveal layers of fluffy softness, rich with flavor. It arrived on time as promised, completely intact and delicious. Number 4. Green's Bakery Kosher Chocolate Babka, 24 ounces. Introducing Green's Bakery Kosher Chocolate Babka. This traditional Jewish pastry is made with a brioche-like yeast dough and filled with chocolate. It's perfect for any occasion. This babka is a beloved treat. The dough is soft and the chocolate filling is rich and delicious. It's a classic for a reason. Whether it's a holiday or a party, this babka is sure to impress. The 24-ounce size is perfect for sharing or enjoying all by yourself. Baked fresh daily in a nut-free, dairy-free kitchen, this babka is made with the finest ingredients. You can taste the freshness in every bite. Certified kosher under OK and CRC supervision, this babka meets the highest standards. You can enjoy it with confidence, knowing it's made with care. Green's Babka is proud to bake the finest traditional kosher Jewish pastries. They use only the freshest ingredients to create this irresistible treat. What we like. This babka is certified kosher, making it suitable for those who follow kosher dietary laws. It's perfect for holiday gifting or parties, guaranteed to impress your guests. If you are looking for a delicious and kosher certified treat to share, this is the one. What people say. It's fabulous. No wrong turn here, this is so yummy and rich and chocolatey it can be gone in no time. Absolutely top ingredients and a delicious treat with coffee or tea. Arrives fresh and freezes well. Number 3. Green's Bakery 26-ounce Chocolate Babka. This is a traditional Jewish pastry, made with a brioche-like yeast dough. It features a delicious chocolate filling. It's perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a holiday or a party, this babka is sure to impress. The 26-ounce size is perfect for sharing. Your guests will love it. Baked fresh daily in a nut-free and dairy-free kitchen. This ensures the highest quality and taste. You can enjoy it with confidence. It is certified kosher under OK and CRC supervision. This means it meets strict dietary standards. It's a treat you can feel good about. Green's Babka uses only the freshest ingredients. They are proud to bake the finest traditional kosher Jewish pastries. Try it today. What we like. This babka is certified kosher, making it suitable for those who follow kosher dietary laws. It's perfect for holiday gifting or parties, guaranteed to impress your guests. If you are looking for a delicious and kosher certified treat to share, this is the one. What people say. This babka arrived in perfect condition, moist and full of flavor. The quality of the chocolate is top-notch. 20 seconds in the microwave and warm melty chocolate goodness needing nothing more than an adoring fan. They use a dark chocolate and enough of it to wallow in. And the babka roll is perfect. Not doughy, tender, sugar crusty on the outside despite the shrink-wrap packaging. Number 2. Lillys Baking Company Chocolate Supreme Babka, 16 ounces. This delicious treat from Lillys Baking Company is a chocolate lover's dream. It's a sweet, braided bread filled with rich chocolate, perfect for any occasion. You'll get a generous 16 ounces of this amazing babka. It's the perfect size to share with friends and family, or to enjoy all by yourself. Whether you're looking for a dessert, a snack, or something to bring to a party, this babka is the perfect choice. Its rich flavor and moist texture will leave you wanting more. Lillys Baking Company is known for its high-quality baked goods. This babka is made with the finest ingredients, ensuring a truly exceptional taste. Go ahead and treat yourself to the ultimate chocolate experience. This babka is a must-try for anyone who loves chocolate. You won't be disappointed. What we like. This babka boasts a supreme chocolate flavor, perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. This is a great choice for gifting. If you are a chocolate lover, you should consider this one. What people say. This babka has cake and not just crystallized chocolate goo like a lot of the other ones. It's soft and has many layers, but it is definitely a great babka. Very chocolatey and fresh tasting. Family has dairy allergies, milk, and this product is safe from this. Number 1. Green's Bakery Mini Chocolate Babka Cakes. Introducing the delicious babka cakes from Green's Bakery. This traditional Jewish pastry is made with a brioche-like yeast dough and chocolate filling. It's baked fresh daily. These babka cakes are ideal for any occasion. Whether it's a holiday gift or a party, they are sure to impress your guests. The cakes are baked to perfection. Baked in a nut-free and dairy-free kitchen, this babka is a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. It is also certified kosher. Certified kosher under OK and CRC supervision, this babka is made with the finest ingredients. It is a traditional Jewish pastry. Made by artisans, this babka uses only the freshest ingredients. You can taste the quality in every bite of this delicious treat. What we like. These mini babka cakes are perfect for portion control or sharing. They are also dairy-free and nut-free, catering to various dietary needs. If you are looking for a convenient and inclusive treat, you should consider these. What people say. Great flavor and texture, loads of chocolate. It has the perfect combination of chocolate versus bread-like pastry. They always arrive very fresh and, unopened, stay fresh quite a while. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.